Hi guys, this is laptop repair world. We are going to replace the Apple a1286 hard disk replacement in this laptop. This is having a problem in hard disk. That's why it's not booting. There's freeze over here. You have to open every screw which is available back side of the laptop. After removing the screws, simply it will get the cap. Now here is the hard disk. This hard disk having problem. In this model, 2 locks for the hard disk holding. It having a tag to lift the hard disk. Simply it will lift it. This is a connector which is connected to hard disk to motherboard. It is a media. This is the connector which is connects to motherboard. Okay. This is OK1 hard disk. It is working perfectly. So that we are fixing this. You have to fix these blocks again back. Okay. Close the cap as it is. We have removed and hold the screws. Now we are opening it. We are going to the now it's working. It's able to boot. Yes, it's working. We replaced the new working hard drive and this now it is booted perfectly. We do all the Apple products. We're having Mac OS also installation. Thank you.